see Jason Vargas there, so things going well with him. Ventura told you last night about his rehab start, and he will throw a side session, and then when his 5th day is up, could be here, could be a rehab assignment. They'll wait on that, but he said that he threw very well. Giordano, he's with the club today, was up in the high 90s, even as high as 101, he was told last night. Giordano was, and command, he said, a little bit off on the fastball, but felt really good with the breaking ball and the changeup.